In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore files from the trash in Google Drive. We've all been there, accidentally deleting an important document or file only to realize moments later that it's something you actually needed. But don't worry, Google Drive makes it easy to retrieve those files, and I'm here to guide you through the process. First things first, you'll need to open up your web browser and head over to the Google Drive website. Once you're there, make sure you're signed into your account. Simply click the Sign In button at the top right of the page if you're not already logged in, and enter your credentials. This step is crucial because you'll be accessing your personal drive space where your files are stored. Once you're signed in, take a look at the left-hand panel. This is your main navigation area within Google Drive. You'll see various options like My Drive, Shared with Me, and crucially, Trash. Go ahead and click on Trash. This is where Google Drive temporarily stores your deleted files, kind of like a holding area. Within the Trash section, you'll see a list of the files that you've deleted. Google Drive usually organizes these in the order they were trashed, but if you have many files here, this could be a lot to sift through. Fortunately, you can sort these files to make your search a bit easier. Look for a small drop-down menu that allows you to sort your files and click Trashed Date. By doing this, you are arranging your files based on when they were deleted, which can really speed things up if you remember roughly when you deleted the file you're looking to restore. Now that you've found the file or files you want to get back, restoring them is a breeze. Just right-click on the file. A context menu will appear with several options. Here, what you want to do is choose Restore, and just like magic, your file will be moved back to its original location in your drive. It's as simple as that. And there you have it. You've successfully recovered your files from Google Drive's trash. Just a quick note. Files stay in the trash for 30 days, so make sure to restore anything you need before the 30-day window passes. Thanks for tuning in to today's tutorial, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Happy organizing, and see you in the next video.